Ready? Ready? Cool. So, Sam needs 2.5 cups of flour to make a batch of cookies. If Samuel only has 2/3 of the amount of flour he needs, how many cups of flour does he have? So, I wrote this wrong to begin with. I'm actually multiplying this because I need to find 2/3 of 2 1/2. So, to start this, I'm going to draw 3 blocks or 3 holes, and I'm going to use these to represent 2 1/2. So each one's going to be broken into halves, and then boom, that is 2 1/2. So now we got to figure out how many of 2/3 is in this, or like how much of 2/3 is in this. So I'm going to break this up into thirds. Okay. And now I'm going to color 2/3 of 2 1/2. So I'm going to use dots. And this makes sense because 4 of the blocks in each one, except the 1/2. So for example, this has got 4 blocks with red dots in it out of the 6, which is 2/3. 4, same one as this one, 4 blocks out of the 6 is 2/3, and then this one is only a half, so it's got 2 of the blocks out of 3 that has red dots. So that is 2/3 of 2 1/2. So now what we can do is we kind of bring together the dots. So I'm going to take this one, I'm going to bring it right here. I'm going to take this one and have it right here. So now these two are no longer part of this hole, but they're now in this one. And I'm going to drag this bad boy over to here, and this one over to here. So now there's nothing left in this one, but we've kind of consolidated for these red dots by moving them over, or the blocks with the red dots by moving them over. So we have one complete hole, and then now we have 2 that were still there, and then we move 2 more over, so we have 4 that have red dots in it now out of this hole, because these 2 are in this one. So now we have 4 out of the 6 in this block, so we have 2/3 in this one, and then we no longer have any red dots over in this one because they're blocks with red dots in it, because now they're over here or in here. So what we have left is 1 2/3, which is 5/3, and that is your final answer. He has 5/3 a cup of flour.